How's it going?
How you doing?
Good, good.
Sorry to bother
Oh, are you the security guy?
Yeah, I'm Cole. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I don't think we need anything.
Okay. I was talking to Tom.
Yeah?
I just want to talk to you on the DB side.
Yep.
Okay. Do you have any interest in having like an alarm system here?
What's that?
Do you have any interest in having something here?
I'm always here.
Okay.
24/7.
Right on. So probably wouldn't use it then.
Probably not. And surely be up to Tom. He said I know, so.
Yeah. Oh, cool. Are these guys home? Do you know?
Looks like they might be.
I'm gonna ask them.
All right.
Yeah. You too, man.